Okay, so we've walked down into the village area down here and then down this road. So you can see the castle there, and now we're down this road to see this church that I cannot pronounce, but maybe future Kyle will put it here at the bottom of the screen. I famously cannot pronounce anything in French at all, so I refuse to even attempt it. Good afternoon, everybody. We are here in Switzerland, in the town of Gruyères. We got a recommendation on our way to Geneva to come to Gruyères Castle. So here we are. Just got off at the train stop, and we're gonna hike our way up to the castle. And if you can hear that dinging in the distance, that is the sound of the small herd of cows eating.
And one of them literally just ran down the hill. It was so cute.
Let's see, we need to get across here. Yeah. Okay. So it is the end of May. It is May 28th.
Yep.
May 28th. We're here at like almost 2 o'clock. We slept in this morning and taken a long ride. Took us about 3 hours by trains to get here. We took like an hour break for lunch. So we're gonna get out here and check out this castle. Hello, hello cows. Look at them. Those look like happy cows, right? So from the train station here, is right behind us. It's only about a 12-minute hike. Looks like a bit of a hill, but we've done much worse over this trip. So we're just gonna push on up. We haven't really done much hiking today, but our legs are tired from yesterday. So I don't know much about this castle other than it looks really awesome on Google, and it was highly recommended to me by my friend Nicholas here from Switzerland. He said it's like one of the top destinations here in the country. So you have to go. He's from not far from here, so he would know if this was any good. So it should be good, and I'm excited to see what we have in store, because it actually looks pretty big. So this could be pretty epic. So this is Gruyères Castle, and this is a little different than most castle experiences you'll see here in Europe. Try to get away from some of this music. In that it's not just a castle, it's like an entire village up here. So it's like walled in village with the castle up here with it. So you can see like we got houses and everything, and this goes way up that way. So it's an entire village up in there. So here are some of the outer walls as we come in and enter. Just check out the window real quick. You can see out the back way. So apparently you can come in that way as well. But we're gonna have to go in and see the town here and see what it looks like. This is pretty exciting because it's a really different experience than most castles. Here we got some painting up here. Oh, I hope that music stops. Sounds like terrible karaoke. Yeah, it is terrible karaoke. So we're approaching Chateau de Gruyères, which is the actual castle portion. So what behind us is considered like the town area, and then straight ahead at the end of the town is the actual chateau or the castle here. So we gotta find out about getting tickets or what. I don't know why people are stopping. I'll take pictures. See if we can get in. But we're getting some pretty sweet views from up here. Okay, so we just got our tickets and we are in the museum. Get a nice sticker that says we paid, and it was 12 Swiss francs a person, and they said backpacks are allowed, but you have to wear them on your front.
This is interesting.
But they had lockers there. The reason why I've had other people tell me you have to wear your backpack on your front for like art museums and stuff is because they don't want you to accidentally turn and bump into things because you aren't aware of how big you are with your backpack. So there's probably some expensive stuff in there that we could get mighty close to, and they don't want us to accidentally bump something that's priceless. So luckily there was some lockers, probably, I don't know, 30 lockers or so, not really too many. So if you're here in like July or August or any type of tourist season where there's a bunch of people here, you might have a hard time getting a locker. So you can bring your bag anyway, just remember you have to wear it on your front. So here is our view, first view here. As we get up, and the views and the drive in here, it's been amazing. This area of Switzerland is very, obviously you can see lots of farms and space, and then you get mountains off in the distance, and small herds of cows and things like that, and it's just a little bit of a different scenery than we've been seeing being up close to the mountains and in the cities and stuff like that. Just nice to see something a little different.
Yeah.
Switzerland keeps sending you curveballs. Just when you think you've got it figured out, you see a view like this and you're like, well, geez, what else does this place have? And this is not a humongous country, but man, there's so much to do here. If you're from Switzerland, know that you've got it good. you've got it real good. So much to do and see in such a small area. Lucky people.
So there's 3 floors.
Well, let's go. And that is our tour of the Chateau de Gruyères. What a cool place. The castle is maybe a little bit better than what you expect. It's very nice. I think the things that got me were the artwork on the walls just everywhere. Some of the rooms were just covered with artwork that's, you know, hundreds and hundreds of years old, and it's so well preserved. Tapestries and all sorts of just detail work that you would never think to see this long after it was made. It's crazy. And then just the peaks of views that you get everywhere in every direction of this portion of Switzerland is amazing, breathtaking, really. So I think that was definitely worth the $12. It's one of the better museums I've ever been to, and we don't really like museums. It was just cool to, I don't know, just castles are cool, especially for Americans, I think, to be able to see stuff like this. And it was only 12 Swiss francs, so hard to argue with that price. Wow. So I think we're going to continue on, get our bag, and head back in through town here, walk around, maybe get some ice cream? Yes, okay, ice cream.
I'm gonna find a bathroom as well.
Yeah, I gotta find a bathroom. And then maybe we'll probably head back out of here, but let's get a good look in through town and stuff first. Okay, so we've walked down into the village area down here and then down this road. So you can see the castle there, and now we're down this road to see this church that I cannot pronounce, but maybe future Kyle will put it here at the bottom of the screen. I famously cannot pronounce anything in French at all, so I refuse to even attempt it. So there you go. It's just a church. We'll see. Maybe it's not just a church. I don't really know. Go in and find out. So that's the church here in the Gruyere, I guess, village area. Yeah, we're just gonna walk back through here, through the I don't know, promenade area. I don't know what you would call this exactly, and just enjoy this really unique little, almost looks like medieval town here. As an American, it looks like something that you would build for Disney World or something like that, except it's real. They've just put in modern restaurants and shopping and things in here. Very cool. Ooh, they got a chocolatery. Do you want to check out the chocolatery?
Where?
Wow. Just a really cool spot. So I'm adding this to my list of things that you got to do if you come to Switzerland. This is just very unique, especially for an American. You don't find this everywhere. Ooh, they might have ice cream in there. Who knows? Oh, glasses, there's ice cream.
Oh God. Better get it if I'm hiking this hill.
Okay, we're just gonna push up here for some ice cream. Well, that is our visit here to Gruyères Castle. I hope you liked it. We sure as heck did. It's a great spot. I guess we can't go that way. There is parking here, as you can see, so you can just drive right up if you got a car. But I thought that was a great spot. Just another perfect little thing we weren't expecting, wasn't on our list, wasn't something we were expecting to do, and worked out great. So now we're gonna head to our Airbnb back in Geneva. So we got a bit of a ride to get there. So if you like the video, go ahead and hit the like button now. Comment. If you have any comments, questions, things you like, dislike, if you just liked it, you know, just tell me you liked it. Hit the like button and tell me, hey, I liked that video. I want to see more of that. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you subscribe. Until then, I'll see you in the next one.